Imagine giving directions to a friend. You say, walk 3 steps east, then 2 steps north. That's exactly what vectors do in mathematics. Unit vectors are arrows of length 1. I point 1 unit right along the x-axis. J point 1 unit up along the y-axis. When we write 3i, we mean 3 steps in the I direction. The number 3 is called a scalar. It tells us how many. Any vector can be written as ai plus bj. For example, 3i plus 2j means go 3 units right, then 2 units up. Worked example 1. Express vector OP where O is origin and P is 4, 3. Step 1. Horizontal component is 4i. Step 2. Vertical component is 3j. Therefore, OP equals 4i plus 3j. Always write I first, then j, even if j is negative. Worked example 2. Find AB where A is 1, 2, and B is 5, 4. AB equals OB minus OA. So, 5i plus 4j minus 1i plus 2j. Subtract the I parts. 5 minus 1 equals 4. Subtract the j parts. 4 minus 2 equals 2. Answer. AB equals 4i plus 2j. Common mistake. Students mix up the order. Always subtract x coordinates for I, y coordinates for j. Don't swap them. Remember, I goes with x, j goes with y. Write your answer as ai plus bj, where a and b are numbers. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more mathematics lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com to practice past questions and master your exams.